Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. And we also have our two special friends with us today, and they are...
Hi, I'm Maddie.
Hi, I'm Eric, and today we're going to be making egg carton eye masks. So here are my two examples. I did two superheroes. So I have Spider-Man and Captain America.
Wow, that looks great, Eric. I love those.
And then these are my two examples. This one I painted it and put a little crown on top. And this one I decorated with some markers as well.
Nice.
So before we get into our craft, we're going to do a quick breathing exercise. So if you want to take either hand and make an open hand like this, like a high five, and spread your fingers wide. And then with your other hand, with your pointer finger, you're going to go up the side of each finger. And as you go up, you're going to breathe in. And then as you go down the other side, you're going to breathe out. So we're going to do that all the way through all 5 fingers.
Okay.
So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out.
Thank you, Maddie. I feel much more relaxed. Thank you.
It's nice you can always do that because you always have your hand with you.
Right, exactly. So for our craft today, you don't need that many materials. You're going to need an egg carton. You're going to need something to hold your eye mask glasses with. So you can use popsicle sticks or a straw. Peggy used chopstick. So you can use anything that you have. And then anything else that you want to decorate your eye mask.
Okay, great. So I haven't cut mine yet. So Maddie, how do we get started?
So what you're going to do is you only need two spaces for your glasses. So what you're going to do is you're just going to start cutting out. It's easy to cut right along the outline of each circle.
All right.
So I pre-cut mine and jumped ahead with pre-painting it, but we'll see how we do it from the beginning.
I like your colors, Peggy.
Yes, here's my pre-cut, pre-painted.
I used similar colors as you. I also pre-painted one. I just did pink and teal.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hoping my crafts don't blow away. It's a beautiful windy day, so we'll see what happens.
Okay, so then once you have it cut out, it's time to poke the holes in the top. So I used my scissors, but you can also try to use a pencil to just poke them. So I put my my 2 egg cartons on a surface, and then I poked it through like that.
And if you need a caretaker or parent or friend to help you with this part, I think that might be a good idea.
So you're going through the center of the little circle part of the egg.
Right. Then once I poke them, it's going to be like this, and then you can take your scissors and you can cut around the circle now.
Okay. I'm just sort of using my fingers. I think that'll work too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and once I got it cut, I took my pinky finger and just kind of put it inside to kind of smooth it out.
Okay. Good. And then Eric, what's the next step to attach the handle?
Yes, so you're going to get either a straw, a chopstick, or a popsicle stick, and you're just going to get a piece of tape. If you want, you can try glue, but I definitely would recommend using tape.
Okay.
And you're going to put it right on the inside. Mine is plastic, so I didn't have to cut a hole in the top. But you're just going to want to tape it right on the inside to either the left or right side.
Okay.
Yeah, I happen to have some spare chopsticks from takeout dinner, So that worked out good to paint them. And
You might need a couple pieces of tape
Yeah.
just to really secure it.
I used 2 pieces and I think feels pretty sturdy.
It isn't that sturdy.
And then I was thinking, I brought out some pipe cleaners and I was thinking maybe at some point I'll wrap the pipe cleaner around the straw, make it a little bit brighter.
I also got some pipe cleaners to add for when we decorate it, because I know Maddie always adds pipe cleaners and I like it.
So Eric, can you show us how you did your superheroes?
Yeah. So I painted mine. I painted all down the handle as well. For my Captain America one, I just cut a little A out of construction paper. And I just did my little Spider-Man design on it. So
And
you can do a superhero if you want to do a superhero.
What kind of paints did you use on that?
Just acrylic paint.
Okay, great. It looks great.
Thank you.
I like the idea of how you each added something on the top, like Maddie with the crown and Eric with the A.
Yeah, you can add whatever you want to it.
And I don't have paint, so I'm gonna use markers.
Yep, I'm gonna do markers for this time too.
Okay. And
So
Peggy, what are you doing up there?
So,
You?
oh, I was gonna say, can we start decorating?
Yes.
I am adding some, of course, bling to mine. I'll show you in a minute.
Great.
A little bit of bling. And then I have an idea for my pipe cleaners.
And Maddie, what are you doing?
Putting crown on this one too. So I just had a yellow piece of paper, so I just cut zigzags in the top like this. So now I'm just going to attach it.
Okay.
So you can color yours in with any markers that you want, or you can paint them. Either way works really well.
Okay.
I kind of cut a hole in the top of mine also, like right at the top. And this, so look what I did with my pipe cleaner.
Wow, I love that.
Cool. It looks like hair. It looks like a single curl of hair.
So I got that idea from you, Maddie, with all your pipe cleaners. So you can almost do any kind of decoration you want.
Anything you have at home really would look great on this. You can just tape it on or glue it on.
And even if you don't want to cut holes in the top, I drew 2 eyes on mine.
Oh, that's great.
As I was cutting mine too, I realized depending on what size eggs you have,
Yeah.
your eye mask will be different.
So I'm going to be finishing mine later. It's going to be just all different colors of marker. So here's where I'm at so far.
Here's mine so far.
Nice.
This one's mine with the crown on top.
Love that crown.
Looks
Like
great.
it.
So
They're my
really,
eyes.
oh, I love that. I love how you did the eye. So really anything goes with these, like we said, just be as creative as you want. There's no right or wrong in art. So we're glad you joined us for this craft video, and you can watch our other craft videos on our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. There's also a link to our YouTube channel.
And we want to take this time also to thank Eric for all his time and work with our space and our craft videos, because this is his last week and his last video with us. And Eric, we wish you the best as you continue your studies at Lesley University. And we're so happy that you have been able to be with us this summer. So
Yeah, thank you for everything, Eric.
Thank you. I've had so much fun doing all these crafts with you guys. So this has been a joy.
Thank
Great.
you. So
thank you.
everyone at home, Enjoy your crafts, and we'll see you next time. Happy crafting.
Bye.